How to have a meaningful new year. Christmas has just finished. People are doing another countdown for the new year. Have you heard the term the new old? This term means a thing which is already old but because it has not been used or seen for a long time, but when it is seen now it becomes new again. This is the same as those pre-loved or pre-used items which you have bought. These are new to you, but they are old from the seller. At work, how can you remain enthusiastic even if you are one of the tenured people in the team? How can you be a brand new vintage who exudes energy and freshness in the workplace? Here are a few tips for you. 1. Revisit the past and be open to new seasons to come. In Lamentations 3 verse 22-23, we can read this: "The Lord's loving kindness indeed never ceases, for his compassions never fail. They are new every morning, great is your faithfulness." God never changes and his love never fails. This is a wonderful reminder in life and at work. There are things that will not change, so life is never boring if you are open to change. While enjoying the comfort and steadiness of what you've been used to, provide space for things and experiences that are new. 2. Rearrange and redecorate. There is no need to change office location or residence to have fresh working environment. There are people who frequently rearrange their furniture in their house in order not to look boring. In the malls, whenever there are occasions, change their decoration to suit the season. They did not transfer location, but in changing decorations, it brought new feeling and experience to the customers. This might be a good thing to do to spice up your work life. Rearrange your priorities and try to put on additional accessories. 3. Recharge your spirit in the Lord daily. If you need new strength and inspiration every day, do not neglect your daily time of recharging and refreshing in the Lord's presence. Some call this their quiet time. For others, this is their daily devotion and meditation. Isaiah 40 verse 31 says, "Those who hope in the Lord will renew their strength. They will soar on wings like eagles, they will run and not grow weary, they will walk and not be faint." As we count before the new year comes, think about these tips. Spend time in quiet reflection and prepare your hearts for the new season that the Lord will start in your life and career.